Gayatri Mantra is said to be the best of all the Hindu mantras. But we have to know the reason why it is the best. What is the meaning of it? I think it is the best for two reasons. Number one, this is not a prarthana or prayer mantra. This is a meditation mantra. And number two, meditation mantra जो है इसमें this both science and spirituality have joined hands. In Rig Veda, where Gayatri Mantra first emerges, there is no mention of Om Bhurvavah Swaha. Why? And why did it later come? And why was it added on later? Is there any scripture in the world, any other scripture, where something later on can be added? In some religions, if I alter the words, then perhaps my hand will be chopped off. But this is the beauty of Hindu Dharma, that we can add on, we can embellish what is already in existence. So Bhurvavah Swaha, it is in a nutshell, it gives us the direction that Gayatri Mantra will take us to, the goal and the place of origin from where we reach the goal. So we are in Bhu and Bhuva. We are in this world, in this material world, which is circumscribed by the atmosphere, Bhuva. But where do we go from here, Bhu and Bhuva? It is the Swarloka. And Sri Aurobindo says in his book, The Secret of Veda, that this Swarloka is the loka, is the world of Jyoti. It is the world of hello. It is the world of knowledge. So by meditating on the Gayatri Mantra, we are shifted to the world of knowledge. We attain that world. We become somebody else. That is the attainment. And that is the most important attainment for a Hindu. The sun, which is Savita, that means which has given birth to the world and us. This is the scientific part. Hindus used to know the science of the world creation. So the science part has been alluded to here by the word Savita. We concentrate on Savita. Why? Because from that Savita, from that lustre, we concentrate on the lustre of Savita. From that lustre, we attain to the proper involvement of our dhi, our intellect. So the direction of the intellect also comes from there, where we were born from. And that way we proceed toward the Swarloka. In the Gita, Karma Yoga has another name, which is Buddhi Yoga. So Buddhi, or intellect, is considered very important in the Hindu tradition. So we must allow our intellect to operate in the right direction. So the real things can happen within me, within ourselves, and outside. This is the gist of the Gayatri Mantra. Namaskar.
And if you could tell, sir, the history of Gayatri Mantra?
Well,
who wrote it?
Yeah, the Gayatri Mantra, it was revealed to Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra was not a Brahmin to start with, but he attained, not by birth, but he attained Brahmanatva. That is the beauty. And the best mantra for the Hindus was revealed to somebody who was not born a Brahmin, but who attained Brahman, the state of Brahman, through meditation and sadhana. This is another beauty of Hindu Dharma. And again, to go to another very related area, there is another area who is the best of all Hindus and the best of all Brahmanas for all times, is Veda Vyasa. First of all, he is called Krishna Dvaipayana. He is of black color. So black is not a unwelcome color for the Hindus. He was black. Sri Krishna Bhagavan was black also, and so is Vishnu Bhagavan, and so is Ramchandra. So and Krishna, Draupadi, she was black too. So many great Hindu figures are black, and this person, Vedavyasa, she who was born of so-called, what we call today is a lower caste, Oman. But we don't consider him a lesser Hindu because he was born of a lower, so-called lower caste, Oman. But we consider him the greatest of all Hindus. So this is the great mark of progressiveness of Hindu Dharma. First, we don't stick to the mantra as it is. We can embellish and add on to the mantra. That is in our tradition, in our power. This only the Hindus have. I don't think of any other religion which has this kind of a capacity. And then, what is our desideratum? What do we attain by utterance of the mantra? Not wealth, not riches, but our proper blossoming into the right kind of mental state, which is attainment of Swarloka. Namaskar.